Good morning, students. This is our English class. In English, what we are learning or reading singular and plural. Again, I am going to explain you what is singular, what is plural. Okay? So, anything, if the quantity is 1, we say it singular. What we say? Singular. Okay? And more than 1, then it will be said as plural. 1 singular, more than 1 plural. Okay? Understand? Like 1 pen means a pen in English. What will be the plural? Pens. Okay? If I had so many pens, then I will say pens. 1 singular, more than 1 plurals. This will be pen, P-E-N, pen, and this will be pens. Okay? At the end, we will put S. Okay? What we will put? We will put S. At the end, we will put S. This is singular, plural. Okay? Singular, plural. This side, singular, plural. Like 1 girl. Okay? This, what do you write? G-I-R-L, girl. And here, more than 1. Then what we will write? Girls. We put S. G-I-R-L-S. Girls. G-I-R-L-S. Girls. Okay? 1 tree is there. Then you will write T-R-E-E, tree. And here, more than 1. See here? More than 1. It is more than 1. Then what you will write? Trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. Okay? Understand? 1 cup. This is a cup. Okay? C-U-P, cup. And here, this is more than 1. What you will write? C-U-P-S, cups. C-U-P-S, cups. Okay? Understand? These are the singular and this is plural. We put S in the end, this plural. But there are some plural in which we write ES. What we write? ES. Now let us come to that category. Okay, next category where we put in plurals ES. Okay? Words that end in hissing sounds. Okay? Word, when you speak, it end in hissing sounds. Like this. Which are that words? Words that end in X. Number 1 is X. Okay? If it end in X, you will write ES. Like B-O-X, box. If it is B-O-X, box, in the end there is X. What you will write? B-O-X-E-S, boxes. B-O-X, box. And here you will put plural boxes. Okay? Next one. That end in CH. Okay? CH. Understand? So again I am writing bench. B-E B-E-N-C-H. What is the spelling of bench? Where you sit to go to a park, there are benches, or in the class there are benches. So this is B-E-N-C-H, bench. It ends in what? C-H. It produces a hissing sound. So when you write the plural, what will be the plural? Here you will write E-S. Benches. Okay? Benches. Next category is S-H. Means word that end in S-H. Okay? S-H. Then what you will write? You will write E-S because S-H also produces a hissing sound. Like dish. D-I-S-H. Dish. Okay? D-I-S-H. Then what you will write? D-I-S-H-E-S. Dishes. D-I-S-H-E-S. Dishes. Okay? And last, not last, then there will be double S. Okay? If there is double S, then also you will write E-S. Like G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Then it will be grasses. You have to write E-S. Okay? G-R-A-S-S. Grass. G-R-A-S-S-E-S. Grasses. Okay? And last is S. If any word ends in S, then what you will write? You will write E-S. Like B-U-S. Bus. Okay? Then what you will write? B-U-S-E-S. Buses. Bus. Buses. Okay? X, C-H, S-H, S-S, S. These are the category where you have to write E-S. What that end in E-S. These things. You have to, in the plural form, you have to add E-S. Understand? Now come to some questions we are going to do. See here. What it is? C-A-T, cat. So what will be the plural? C-A-T-S, cats. We will add S. Okay? Then D-O-G, dog. What will be the plural? D-O-G-S, dogs. Okay? Next, B-A-L-L, ball. What will be the plural? Plural will be B-A-L-L-S, balls. Then here apple. So plural will be A-P-P-L-E-S, apples. Then C-A-R, car. What will be the plural? Cars. Then this is B-E-E, bee. What will be the plural? Bees. Then here grass. Double S. It ends in double S. What you will write? Grasses. G-R-A-S-S-E-S. Grasses. Okay? Next. Branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. Branch. End in C-H. Then you will write E-S. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Branches. Okay? Then brush. Okay? Brush. So what you will write? B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Brush, because it ends in S-H. Brushes. And last, here written gas. G-A-S. It is S. Then you have to write E-S. Gases. Understand? These are singular plural. Every day you will do and you will practice with me. Okay? This is all about your singular plural. Now come to cursive handwriting. Today we are going to practice small letter Q. Okay? Small letter Q. How we will write in cursive? See. In between second and third line. Like a C you will make. Then join it. Then bring it down and this. This become a small letter Q. Okay? Again. Okay? This is small letter Q. Understand? small letter Q. First, from the third line, you raise the line and make a C in cursive. Then join it. Then bring it down to the fourth line and here. It become a small letter Q. See here, small letter Q. This is small letter Q. Today, we are going to practice small letter Q in your cursive book. Okay? So today's teaching over, students. Thank you.